Hello everyone, here we have a VF Commodore. Okay, I'm just about to start it up. Now, on this car, I have installed a OEM style sat nav. So if you hold the back button down here, it comes into your GPS menu. And starts up your navigator. Okay. So from here, full functioning GPS, all Australia maps. We're underground, that's why we're not getting signal. And that's completely integrated to the screen. You can put your destinations in from here, addresses. Okay, very straightforward. Also works with the factory reverse camera. Okay, there you have it, integrated GPS to the VF Commodore. Thank you.